Take a trip with me to the scary part of your mind. The part of your mind where you can't exactly see the monsters, but you know that they are there and horrifying. Imagine someone frightening you. Now imagine being frightened. You have been introduced to the feeling that quite possibly might be a close shave.
What are you doing? I'm sorry? You are! Honestly, leaving a hot tea kettle unattended! Who knows what could have happened? I don't really think it's a big deal.
Not a big deal.
Not a big deal. Deals are for Donald, you careless cockswaddle! What if you burnt the perfectly good tea, lit your kitchen on fire, or set this whole apartment ablaze? I know life might be all tea and crumpets to you, but some of us are taking this seriously!
A moment in time is what separates this reality from all others. A magical and mysterious act manifested itself right in front of your very eyes. Imagine being so close to destruction that you could almost feel it. And the only thing stopping you from sheer hell is a close shave.